Owning real estate is not the silver bullet. Real estate alone will not lead you to financial success. Asset allocation is a complementary skill different from investing that ensures not all your eggs are in one basket. Danny Lau here from Lion Real Estate, empowering individuals and families with financial success through real estate. I want to share an ancient quote with you from the Talmud. Let every man divide his money into 3 parts and invest a third in land, a third in business, and a third let him keep by him in reserve. This was written in the Talmud, a 2,000-year-old strategy debated amongst rabbis about Jewish law dating as early as 220 BC. As such, we refer to this investment strategy as the Talmud Rule. According to the Talmud Rule, real estate alone cannot provide your assets with enough diversification. Owning your home is only step 1. Step 2 involves putting money aside, maybe in your retirement accounts, towards purchasing stocks or acquire private businesses. Stock and real estate behave differently as asset classes. Stock provides growth potential, where real estate provides stability and cash flow. Lastly, we have cash on hand so you can take advantage of any investment opportunities. Someone did an interesting study on this. Pay attention to the blue line. As a long-term buy and hold strategy, the Talmud Rule has one of the top performing returns while having one of the lowest volatilities. Pay attention to your assets' performance. Identify any potential exposures of your portfolio, thus add or rebalance your asset allocation in order to further your financial goals. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. Normally, I would say you can also set up a time with me to grab a cup of coffee so we can discuss how real estate can fit into your financial picture. Instead, I'm happy to offer a video call to maintain healthy social distancing. Of course, if you enjoy my video, like it, share it, and tell other people about it. This is Danny Lau. See you next time.